Welcome to this week's edition of Oncology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Transgene has reached a key milestone in its TG4050 vaccine program for HPV-negative head and neck cancer. Phase 2 screening is now complete, with full randomization expected by late 2025. Phase 1 showed 100% disease-free survival at 2 years. Immunogenicity data are expected in late 2026, with efficacy results in 2027. Dizal has finished enrollment in the global Phase 3 WU-KONG28 trial for EGFR exon 20 insertion NSCLC. The study compares sunvosertinib to platinum chemo. The therapy holds breakthrough therapy designation in both the US and China. Previous data showed a 78.6% response rate and median progression-free survival of 12.4 months. Boehringer Ingelheim and the Lung Cancer Research Foundation have launched a $2.25 million initiative targeting HER2-mutant NSCLC. It includes team science and early career awards. Letters of intent are due by July 29, 2025. The UK has approved its first anti-PD-1 therapy for small cell lung cancer. Serplulimab was authorized with chemotherapy for untreated extensive stage disease. It showed median overall survival of 15.4 months versus 10.9 months with chemo alone. Health Canada has approved Kisqali for early HR-positive, HER2-negative breast cancer in high-risk patients. The approval is based on the NATALEE trial, which showed a 25.1% reduction in invasive disease-free survival risk. Kisqali is the only CDK4/6 inhibitor to show overall survival benefit in 3 Phase 3 studies. Zetagen Therapeutics shared preclinical data on Zetamast for TNBC liver metastases. In mice, the therapy reduced tumor volume 4-fold and extended survival by 3.9 times. An IND filing is planned, with a Phase 1b trial expected in early 2026. The FDA has granted orphan drug designation to Medicovestor's Atobind MC001, an antibody-drug conjugate for pancreatic cancer. It offers high tumor selectivity and enhanced immune engagement through improved antibody-dependent cytotoxicity. A Phase 1 trial is slated for early 2026. The EMA's Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use has issued a positive opinion for Cabometyx in advanced pancreatic and extrapancreatic neuroendocrine tumors. This recommendation follows FDA approval in March 2025, based on the Phase 3 CABINET trial. Darolutamide, or Nubeqa, received EMA support for expanded use in metastatic hormone-sensitive prostate cancer, with or without prior chemo. The ARANODE trial showed a 46% drop in the risk of progression or death. Daiichi Sankyo and Merck have launched IDate Prostate 01, a Phase 3 trial comparing ifinatamab deruxtecan to docetaxel in metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer. This B7H3 antibody-drug conjugate will be evaluated in 1,440 patients worldwide following ARPI therapy. Arceus has received FDA IND clearance for ART-101, a PSMA-targeted radiopharmaceutical for prostate cancer imaging and therapy. The agent showed greater tumor uptake and fewer off-target effects compared to existing drugs. A Phase 1 trial will begin later this year. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time!